Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. Thirsty Thursday. We've got to come up with something better than Thirsty Thursday. Thoughts? Suggestions? Bring it on. All right. Last night, I finally prepared the Casual Chef Bourbon Elk Steak Tips, cheater smashed potatoes, and the Casual Chef corn sauté. Yum. Yum, 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 yum. This is a must try. If you don't have elk or venison, at least try it with beef. The sauce really makes the dish. The bourbon, if you use a good bourbon, the sauce itself has a sweet, Robert and I talked about this morning. It has a complex sweet note to it. Yes, it has honey, but there's not a lot of honey in it. It's the combination of the bourbon, the honey, and then the sauce in the pan is finished off with a couple tablespoons of butter. It's yummy. Very yummy. Cheater smashed potatoes. I like cheater smashed potatoes, and I'm not saying instant. I'm saying they're pre-made. You get them in kind of like the meat section. At least that's where they are in Bel Air. You heat them up in the microwave. I add some salt, pepper, and some butter. I doctor them up just a little bit, and I think they're wonderful. It saves me time in the kitchen from making a huge pot of potatoes. I like them. Then I did my corn sauté. Now I've done my corn sauté a couple times, since April. It's not a quick thing because basically you're sautéing. It's not a quick sauté. It's basically you're cooking the corn over a medium low heat and letting that butter do its thing. It's just on the corn with the bell pepper and a little bit of onion and some garlic. It's just, it's so good. Okay, enough drooling. Yeah, I'm drooling. Okay, I'll have those recipes up. The corn sauté recipe is basically an ingredient list. Again, make it your own. So tonight, I'm doing chicken Dijon. French, I guess. I don't know. So that's what I'm doing tonight. So let's get to it. Got some hardware out. We got some chicken. I'm using chicken breasts because that's what the recipe calls for it, and I didn't want to substitute it with chicken thighs because this is a chicken breast recipe. We've got some bacon. So I got some bacon going on. Some spinach. I'm using white mushrooms and baby bellas. There's breadcrumbs involved, yellow onions involved, eggs, garlic. It does call for Dijon mustard, but I'm actually going with the Sierra Nevada Stout. I think it's got more depth and more flavor. Of course, there's breadcrumbs, white wine, lots of butter. This dish is actually done with butter, not oil. And I'm doing cheater au gratins and a can. And cheater, it's not really cheater. I don't like frozen green beans. And the last couple times I've gotten fresh green beans from the store, they've been miserable. So, canned green beans, cheater au gratin potatoes, but they got plenty of work to do with the rest of this. Everything kind of got pushed one day, because I took the day off the other day. Actually, that night, Robin stopped on our way home and got us in and out. It's been like 3 months or more since we had In and Out. Oh, God, it was good. It was. All right. Have a great Thursday. Eat great food. And have fun cooking. Phenomena. Phenomena.